Alright guys, quick video here. I'm going to show you how to buy Shiba Inu on Binance. So first off, you're going to make sure you have an account. If you don't have an account, click the link below to sign up for Binance and you'll get 10% back on your trading fees of whatever token you buy. So I'm assuming already that you have USDT in your account. If not, you can watch one of my other videos to show you how to switch it. But come up to markets, and we're going to be in the spot market. Make sure you're in the spot market. Fiat markets, come over here and type Shib. Find the USDT pairing or the BSD pairing, whatever one you use. I usually use the USDT. Click trade. And once this opens up, we can see the chart will load up and the order book and the orders. So what we can do from here is, if you're a more advanced or intermediate trader, you can come over here and buy off the order book. So you can click in here and then put how many you want, and it'll give you the price at the bottom. Or you can click market and come down and just buy it at Binance. Will give you the best price at that moment for how many you want. So say I want to buy $10 worth. I type in 10 and I hit buy. So, well, let's do it. So we hit buy. Market is ordered, and boom. Now if you look over here, we have 360,000 of Shib. And then if we wanted to sell, we would just do the reverse. We would go here, put in that, hit sell, and it'll sell at whatever the price is. I'm not going to sell now because I just bought it, so hey. Then you're in, and that's it. So simple, quick, easy, guys, on how to buy Shiba Inu. So, don't forget, like I said, if you don't already have a Binance account, use my referral link down for 10% off your trading fees. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.